What's the meaning of blown? Blown. Blown.
Blown. Blown. The word blown can have several meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a physical action of air or wind-moving objects or material, such as leaves being blown in the wind. It can also refer to an explosion or a sudden release of energy, like a blown tire on a car. In more slang terms, blown can mean being exhausted or overwhelmed, as in I'm blown after running a marathon. Additionally, in some contexts, it can mean being under the influence of drugs or alcohol.